Hi guys, welcome to Food vs Sharma with me Suman. Today's recipe is homemade spring roll wrapper. Quick and easy it is, so do give this a try. Here I have taken around 1 cup of maida. Salt, half teaspoon. We will add 1 cup of water to make a flowy batter. Give this a good mix. Sieve to remove any lumps in the batter. Pour batter in the pan and spread evenly. Now place the pan over the boiling water. Allow some time to cook. Once the edges starts to separate, means it is completely cooked now. Gently pull out the sheet with your hand. You can see the thin sheet coming out of the pan, and that's what we want. And our spring roll wrapper is ready now. Use it as samosa roll, dumplings, all goes good with it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming recipes. Until next video, goodbye.